Google Forms provides a fast way to create an online survey with responses collected in an online spreadsheet. To get started, let's assume you have a few things: a Google account with Google Drive enabled and the Chrome browser. Click the Google App Launcher to open Google Forms. Now you will create a simple survey. Click blank to start a new form. Now you will give your form a new name. You may want to give a brief description about the purpose of the form too. In the question title field, type in the first question you want to ask. If you want to provide some explanatory text for the question, click the three dots and select Description to add more context. Choose a question type. You have several options, such as multiple choice, short answer or paragraph, checkboxes, and so on. When you're finished with that question, click Add Question, which saves the first question and creates a new blank question. Did you know that you could add a question that requires the participants to upload a file? If you would like for the user to upload a file, choose File Upload. The file will be saved to your Google Drive. You can email users the link to the survey or just share the view link for the users to complete their survey. Lastly, if you would like to view their responses, click the Response tab while you're in edit mode of the survey.